Welcome to Eco Study Hub. In this video, we'll be discussing the detailed syllabus for the TNPSC Assistant Engineer AE exam for Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board TNPCB under Environmental Engineering and Chemical Engineering PG Degree Standard, Subject Code 393. This syllabus is crucial for those preparing for the AE exam, covering environmental policies, pollution control, treatment technologies, and sustainability. We will go through all 10 units briefly in this video. In upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into each unit with in-depth explanations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eco Study Hub for more environmental engineering content. Let's get started. Unit 1. Environmental Policy, Environmental Legislations, and Environmental Impact Assessment, EIA. This unit covers important environmental policies and laws in India and globally. You'll study acts like the Water Act, 1974, Air Act, 1981, Environmental Protection Act, 1986, and more. The Environmental Impact Assessment, EIA, process is also an important topic, covering impact assessment methods, public participation, and case studies. Unit 2. Environmental Chemistry and Environmental Microbiology. This unit focuses on chemical and biological aspects of environmental science. You'll study topics like water and wastewater chemistry, pH, alkalinity, hardness, BOD, COD, DOI pollution chemistry, photochemical reactions, ozone depletion, acid rain, microorganisms in wastewater treatment, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and their role in degradation, bioremediation, and microbial techniques. Unit 3. Principles and Design of Physicochemical Treatment of Wastewater. This unit focuses on the physical and chemical treatment processes used in wastewater treatment, including screening, sedimentation, filtration, coagulation, flocculation, adsorption, chemical precipitation, oxidation, and ion exchange. Advanced treatment techniques like membrane filtration and reverse osmosis. Unit 4. Principles and Design of Biological Treatment of Wastewater. This unit deals with biological treatment methods for wastewater, covering aerobic and anaerobic processes, activated sludge process, trickling filters, oxidation, pond subflow, anaerobic sludge blanket, UASB, sequential batch reactors, SBR, microbial kinetics, and sludge management. Unit 5. Air and Noise Pollution Control. This unit covers the sources, effects, and control technologies for air and noise pollution, including air pollution monitoring and standards control technologies, electrostatic precipitators, ESP, cyclones, bag filters, scrubbers, vehicular emissions control, noise pollution sources, measurement, and control methods. Unit 6. Solid and Hazardous Waste Management. This unit discusses the management, treatment, and disposal of solid and hazardous waste, covering municipal solid waste, MSW, management, collection, segregation, disposal and filling, composting, and waste-to-energy conversion. Biomedical and e-waste management, hazardous waste treatment, incineration, stabilization, secure landfills. Unit 7. Statistical Approach and Modeling of Environmental Systems. This unit involves the application of statistics and mathematical modeling in environmental engineering. Topics include data analysis, probability distributions, regression analysis, forecasting methods, environmental modeling, water quality models, air dispersion models. Unit 8. Industrial Pollution Prevention and Cleaner Production Technologies. This unit focuses on minimizing industrial pollution at the source through sustainable technologies, covering cleaner production, CP, techniques in industries, green chemistry principles, waste minimization and resource recovery, zero liquid discharge, ZLD, systems. Unit 9. Environmental Safety and Risk Assessment. This unit covers safety measures and risk assessment in environmental management, including industrial safety standards, hazard identification, risk assessment, and mitigation, disaster management, and emergency response plans. Unit 10, Sustainable Environmental Management, Economics, and Global, Regional, and Local Environmental Issues. The final unit covers Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, Environmental Economics, Cost-Benefit Analysis, Carbon Credits, Climate Change, Global Warming, Biodiversity Conservation, Local and Regional Environmental Issues affecting Tamil Nadu and India.